leaving for my New Year's trip today, and this is what I'm carrying in my handbag. This is what my handbag looks like. It's from Miragio and it is my latest obsession. It's so pretty. So first up is my wallet from Charles and Keith. It has a little bit of cash and my ID proofs. I think that's all I need. I'm not carrying my card or anything because UPI हर कहीं काम कर जाता है. Then I'm carrying Kanthika. For those who know me know how obsessed I get with this as soon as winter hits, because this is something that gives instant relief जब भी मेरा गला खराब होता है. Since I'm traveling to a colder place as compared to Jaipur, so I'll definitely need this. Now I've done the most desi thing by carrying this with me. This मेरे को और कोई पोटली मिली नहीं तो मैंने ये ले ली जो मेरे को सबसे आगे दिखी. I have carried green tea, flavored coffee, normal coffee and काढ़ा with me because जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि we're traveling to a chillier area, so I like to be all prepared. Then I have just the cover of my glasses that I'm wearing right now. Then I have my AirPods because इसके बिना traveling is going to be very difficult. So this is the first thing that I kept. So I have this. Then I have a mint. It's a sugar-free watermelon flavored chewing gum because I just feel कि I need to have like a packet of gum in my handbag no matter what. अगर मैं travel नहीं भी कर रही हूँ तो I still need this in my bag. So that's that. And then I have my pouch with me. So this pouch basically has all the essentials: basic makeup, my comb, my clutcher, wet wipes, tissues, sanitizer, perfume, lip balms and whatnot. So this is what I have. Basic toiletries जो है that's in my briefcase, but I like to carry this with me क्योंकि मुझे कभी भी किसी भी चीज़ की ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है. So I have that. And then I have my Kindle. I have suddenly become very obsessed with reading again, which is great. So I'm carrying my Kindle because I really want and I really wish to have like some alone time, you know, और एकदम बैठ के chill करके instead of watching reels, I just want to read and have a great me time with a cup of coffee in one hand and Kindle in another. Great. And last but not the least, I have my iPad with me. The main reason why I've ordered this bag and the main reason why I'm carrying this bag is so that I can carry my iPad. And ये मेरे को बहुत काम आने वाला है because I have a lot of work to do. New Year trip है, but I've still got some work that I need to get done. So yeah, that's what I'm carrying in my handbag while traveling.